So today we're gonna make a review of two of the products I got from the eBay. A gas solder, that's for my own use, and that's to clean the tip of your solder. Never used those before, but it looked nice on the internet, so I think we're gonna give it a try and see how it works in real life, because as you know, things you buy on eBay are not always what you expect to be. A bit tricky to take it out. Looks like one of these things you use to scrub off the plates when you do dishes. Okay, and that's the solder. Comes in a nice package. I like the closing. It's not one of these cheap plastic things that you just flip over and they're gonna break after a short time or maybe a long time. I used to have one of the gas solders. They come very handy, especially when you work outside and on your car or something else, but that was just out of use very quickly because the other one had a very cheap regulator of the gas flow. This one looks a bit better, but I wouldn't say. Oh no, there's a bit of the steel, so yes, it just doesn't look so great, but might work for a while. Wasn't expensive, this one, £18. Obviously if you're going to buy it from the street shop, that's going to cost you a bit more. You got a few soldering tips straight up. That's actually to make holes, I think. There's another one, a triangle shape, maybe to just melt something together. And that's definitely a soldering tip, a flat one, and there's another flat but rounded, and this is pointed a bit. What I like about it, I'm more going to use it as just a shrinking tool, a portable shrinking tool, using this one. Okay, so let's try the regular soldering tip, because that's what I think I'm gonna be using most of the time. So you just screw it on the top. I would not recommend using any pliers because usually they get stuck inside and you can't take it out. You got a little stand you can put it, that was missing on my part, and there's a plastic cover which you can use when it's still hot and want to put it on the stand, or just put it away flat. So because there's a massive distance and it's not just a cheap melting cover, and there's a hole for the heat coming out, you can put it safely, stays solid on. You can put it safely even when it's hot somewhere on the side. You're not going to melt anything multiple. Okay, you got the desk holder as well that comes along with it. Not necessary, but there's a bit to clean your tip. I got that for my use. And okay, let's try to use it. First, let's top it up with the gas. I think just the regular tip gonna work for it. Oh, not going all the way in. Yeah, it goes now. It's leaky. Oh, that was quick. I think that's gonna be enough for our purpose of demonstration. Let's see how quickly that's gonna heat up. Yeah, let's set to number 3 just for start. That should be the ignition. Oh yes, I can hear it now. So you have to set it to the highest setting first. Yeah, it's just a few seconds now. I feel it getting hot. Yeah, you can see it for yourself. Very quick. Okay, let's use some light. Let's see when it's ready. Ready straight away, quicker than my electric one. Wow, that's nice. So let's turn it to 1, or I gotta turn it off thing. Let's set it to just a medium setting, put it aside. I have some cables prepared for this purpose, so we can solder it together. Let's put it in the clip. Let's see how this is gonna solder it together. Wow, still hot. Wow, straight, nice, very nice. I really like it, and it's very light as well. So as I said before, put it on side. Let's see if what happens if I turn it off. It goes off. So it's gonna be like a standby mode, or not. Okay. So now we got this. Let's try to put it all together. Okay. It's something to take the tip off. I'm taking my pliers. Okay. So that goes off. Let's put it on the side. And now see how the shrinking bit gonna work like. Usually when you use one of these torches or blowers. Yes. Oh yeah, that's my little baby. It's not nice because if you have something, if you have a bit of the wind, that's gonna blow away. Let's see how this works. Yeah, I know you like it. You like it like a daddy. Yeah, nice. You actually need to touch it a bit. Don't be afraid. It's not gonna burn. But wow, proper shrinking tool. Love it. So let's turn it off again, and let's see how cleaning the soldering tip gonna work like. It's not hot. Yes, I know, you want to see how it works. Same like Daddy. So that's the look immediately. That was cooled down. I was able to put it to touch it with my fingers. Yeah, and now see how that works. Unbelievable. I love it. So many years of soldering and never had the proper tool. You just stick it in, take it out, and the excess of solder is right there. Wow. Guys, have fun with this. That was just 2 or 3 pounds. That was a bit dear. I was 18, but it comes as a full package. I mean, this is a working tool. That's a proper working tool, and it should come handy in any workshop. So as it's hot, gonna protect now the tip on my baby with the cover. Put it aside. I hope you like it. It's worth to buy. I had to try because no one done the review for me, but there you go, you can use it for yourself. Oh, goes in even with the protective bit. So no worry that you're gonna burn this. That's warm, not hot. Let's see if we close this properly. Yeah, guys. Definitely worth to buy. Cheaper than in the main on the high street. Have fun.